as it's a quiet day, I thought I'd have a little show and tell. This was my first ever radio. It was, I bought this in 1986. It's a Midland 77099. It's not a bad little radio. I think it's been rather abused, because in them days I didn't know about SWR and all like that. It's also, it's had its wires cut, as it's been in and out several cars by such as life. Anyway, now I found this in the garage last year, and so that sort of sparked off my interest in CB again, so I rewired it, ready for use. Last summer, when the shut it to the fan scenario was going, I went into a shop and I picked up what is a fairly standard modern radio, which is an Allen 78 Multi Plus. Yeah, it's got European and British bands on it. It's the sort of fairly standard radio, and when I bought it I realised that it had this kind of connector on it. I remember my original radio had one of these connectors on it years ago, and I thought, what if I put the same connector on all my radios, then they'll be interchangeable. So I looked round and round on eBay and in all the shops to see if I could find the same thing. I couldn't find exactly the same kind of plug and socket, but I found similar, slightly bigger, and these you get in radio controlled shops for model aircraft and model cars and stuff like that. It's the plugs they use on the power. So I soldered some of them onto the end of this one's wire, and what I did was on all my radios I put the same kind of connector, so that I have fairly standard connectors on everything that I own, so I can interchange stuff if I've got something plugged into a power supply and I want to change it for a different radio. Yeah, it's just unplug, plug, and it's all done. So if you buy something off eBay and it's had its wires cut or something like that, then you might consider, you know, go to the radio control shop, get some plugs. Yeah, if you use standardized equipment, it makes life a lot easier. I'll show you, I'll give you a demonstration in a few minutes time. And my other radio, which you might have seen on the other videos, is a RM42 walkie. Yeah, here we're wearing the kit. That comes with battery packs for if you're using rechargeables, and a battery pack for if you're not. But I also made my own battery pack, which is here, as a spare, because then I can put this one on charge and I can still use the radio using this one. Let me show you that fastened up. I just plug that into the car kit, and I have power. I have power on the radio. Yeah. Italy for some reason. I don't know why I want Italy. I'll just turn it over to Europe. Well, here we are. So there we are. You see, we can power that. Now, as I said, I made my stuff standard. So it means, let me find also, I also have a different connector. This connector simply unplugs from here, yeah, and this connects onto here. So I can, sorry, the other way around. This connects onto here. So I have 12 volts here, which I've never tried this on any while broadcasting, so I don't know how long it would last, but theoretically this now plugs in here and provides me with power to my radio. See? On batteries. And exactly the same if I wanted to use my new radio. Simply unplug it, and then I've got power here. Let me just put that where you can see it. You see? And that's just off a battery pack. Okay, it's got a loose wire in there, but that's just off a battery pack. So there we are, that's my 3 radios that I use at the moment.